What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be talking about 3 of the reasons that I keep the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, not including the sign-up bonus. Now, these are some of my favorite benefits, and if these would make sense for you, it may mean that you might benefit from having this card as well. So be sure that you check it out. Now, guys, I consider this card more of a daily carry card. I take it with me even right now. I'm on the patio here in Casablanca, Morocco. So I'm actually outside of the country, and I still carry this card with me because it also works good in terms of it has pretty good international usage as well. So I enjoy that part. Point number 1 is they give you a $50 hotel credit. This pretty much wipes off half of the annual fee, which is $95. At least for me, currently it's $95. I'm pretty sure they haven't increased it. And it's easy to use. You literally just have to book a hotel through the Ultimate Rewards travel portal. Though I'd recommend you check prices in other places as well, right? To make sure that if you find somewhere else where the price is $50 cheaper, then it doesn't make sense for you to book that hotel. But occasionally, in my case, I actually use this. Literally, I was in a city in the north called Tangier in Morocco, and I was able to use this benefit, so it worked out perfectly. So all you really have to do is you just book a hotel through the Ultimate Rewards travel portal, and they'll actually just credit you back $50. Now, at that point, you just have to find $45 worth of value to break even on the card, right? So that's kind of how I look at it. Now, the second point, this is my biggest point for keeping the card, is their transfer partners. Typically what I do is I'll accumulate a ton of points and then I'll transfer it over to another partner, like a partner airline, for example. That way I can get really cheap tickets. So I was able to do just that. I bought a first class ticket to South Africa to go from Paris down to South Africa. The ticket would have cost me $4,000 if I would have paid cash, and I have some of the numbers here, but I ended up paying $345 and 61,000 points. Okay, it worked out great for me because there was actually a 30% bonus offer on any points that were transferred to Virgin Atlantic, where I transferred my points, and then from there I was able to book a flight with Air France first class direct to Cape Town. So me just doing the valuation, it comes out to about me getting value of about 8 cents per point. Okay, I think it was like 7.79 cents per point or something like that. Okay, and guys, I've done this multiple times too. This is not my first time doing this, so don't think like this is like a rare instance. You know, I was able to I got a business class flight down from Africa to Togo, which is West Africa, or excuse me, from Europe down to Togo, which is West Africa, and I've done it also from the US going to Guatemala in business class as well. So this is definitely something that works great. Okay, and that's in recent memory, guys. I've been able to use these points to book a lot of travel, and even if you don't want to fly first class, if you want to fly economy, your points will go a lot further, right? If you're willing to fly economy internationally, you're going to see that you're going to be able to get a good amount of value from your points that way as well. And the great thing is they also allow me to combine all my points from all my different credit cards. I usually combine them into the Chase Sapphire Preferred. All my other Chase cards, I've combined it into the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And that way, all my points are essentially in one place. So that's also a great benefit. On top of that, they have decent rewards points. You can earn 3x points on dining, which is, I saw on some sites, they say that it's valued at about $150. So something to think about. And you actually earn 5x points on any travel from the Ultimate Rewards portal. So what I typically will do is, if I'm looking to book like a hotel or booking even whatever, right? If I need to book any type, things that you might need to book while you're traveling, hotel, flights, whatever, then I'll check on the Ultimate Rewards portal to see if the pricing's the same. I'll just book it on the Ultimate Rewards portal to earn the 5x points. I would have spent that same money anyways, but why not earn points while I'm doing it, or earn more points while I'm doing it too, right? So that's kind of how I look at it. Anyways, guys, that's the gist of it for this video. I think those are some reasons that you might want to look into the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Also, for another great card, check out my video that I shot on the Amex Gold card that I'll link to as well. This is one of my daily carry cards that I just can't go without. So it's definitely, I'll even bring it out for you so you can see it. It's definitely a card that you'll want to check out for sure. Alrighty, so I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.